So the way you do these problems, it just depends on which piece of technology you're going to use, the allowable pieces. So I'm going to look at the TI method first, and then I'll show you the Google Sheets method. All right, so for the TI method, what we're looking for is a number, and we're given a probability. So if you want a number and you're given a probability, that is inverse normal. So we're going to go to second bars, distributions. There's inverse normal. That's number 3. Okay. Inverse normal takes in, when it says area, it means area to the left of some number. The area that we're given is to the right of a number. So to get the area to the left, you subtract that from 1. All right, so 1 minus 0.2317. The mean of this distribution is 100. The standard deviation is 15, it tells us. And so we paste it in there. Now, if you don't have this menu on your calculator, then you need to make sure you paste it in this order. So the area to the left first. So you would do 1 minus the number first, comma, the mean, comma, the standard deviation. All right, if you don't have that menu that I just showed you. So there's the number that we need, 110.998, round to the nearest whole number, so that'd be 111. Now, if you don't have a TI and you want to use Google Sheets, it's a very similar procedure. You have to type in equals first. So equals, instead of inverse normal, you're actually writing the reverse of that, norm, and then it's .inv, norm.inverse. This one's the same thing. You can use either one of these. But norm inv takes in a number. It's an area to the left, just like it is for the normal inverse normal on the TI calculator. So because I have area to the right, I have to do 1 minus the number that they give me. So 1 minus 0.2317. All right, and then comma, and then it wants to know the mean. The mean is the 100, comma, the standard deviation. The standard deviation is 15, and it'll give you that number that has area of 0.2317 to the right of it. Okay, but if it's to the right, we just got to remember 1 minus the area is the area to the left, and that's what both of these pieces of technology take in as their first input.